Okay guys, so today I'm going to show the daily combo for today. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So today I want to show the daily combo for today. So the first card is at legal. Let's go to where it says legal. Let's scroll down and then we can see license Philippines right here. Click on it and click on where it says go ahead. This card is really profitable, as you can see. And now the next card is at specials, right? So we are looking for this special code license, short squeeze right here. So you click on short squeeze and then you buy it. This is also the second card for today. And then the last card is long squeeze, which is 9 million. Not easy, but I'll buy it for the sake of you guys. So boom, our card is now complete. So you click on where it says take price and then we are done. So that's the combo for today. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, like this video, let me know what you think in the comment section. Peace out.